my friend. One of the most common things I hear from my patients over 60 is this: "Doc, I don't understand. My legs feel weaker every day. I'm not in pain, I haven't fallen, but they just don't feel the same." And I get it, not just as a doctor, but as someone who's 60 myself. I felt it too, that heaviness, that little hesitation when standing up. But here's what I also know. Losing leg strength isn't just aging. It's not inevitable. In fact, a major study published in the Journal of Cachexia Sarcopenia in Muscle 2021 found most muscle loss in older adults is due to nutritional deficiencies, not age itself. And the part that really surprised me: just changing your breakfast, yes, breakfast, can restore leg strength in as little as 6 to 8 weeks. No fancy pills, no heavy workouts, just simple foods already in your kitchen that we've forgotten to appreciate. So today, I want to share with you from 35 years of experience and a whole lot of heart, 9 breakfast foods that science has shown can rebuild leg muscles after 60. Let's start with the one we all know but often overlook: boiled eggs, the forgotten muscle. Recovery superfood. A study from the University of Illinois 2018 found older adults who ate 2 eggs every morning for 8 weeks showed significant improvements in leg strength and balance. Think back for a moment. Remember those warm boiled eggs your mom or grandma used to serve you in the morning? Turns out those humble eggs contain everything your legs are asking for now. Vitamin B12 protects motor nerves. Vitamin D helps calcium get to your bones. Leucine, an essential amino acid for muscle synthesis. And choline boosts nerve signals so you can react faster when walking. After 60, building muscle gets harder. But when we give our bodies enough leucine, we're sending a clear message: let's rebuild. I'm ready now. Part 2. Oatmeal plus chia seeds, the anti-inflammation duo for muscle longevity. A study from Harvard in 2020 stated beta-glucan fiber from oats helps reduce chronic muscle inflammation, a key factor in leg weakness among seniors. I had a patient once, Walter, 68, retired engineer. He started every morning with coffee and a donut. But once he switched to oatmeal with chia seeds just a month later, he told me, "Doc, not only do my legs hurt less, I get up from my chair with ease." Why? Oats are packed with beta-glucan, which soothes silent inflammation in aging muscles. Chia seeds bring omega-3s, calcium, magnesium, and potassium, all critical for muscle contractions and preventing cramps. Mix it with warm almond milk or water, and it's more than breakfast. It's quiet, powerful nourishment for your legs. Part 3. Banana, the nervous system's best friend. The NIH National Institutes of Health 2017 reported potassium and vitamin B6 are essential for proper neuromuscular function, helping prevent cramps and muscle misfiring in older adults. If you're on diuretics or blood pressure meds, there's a good chance you're low on potassium. That's where bananas come in naturally rich in both potassium and B6. One medium banana has about 400 milliliters of potassium, enough to stabilize nerve signals, reduce cramping, and ease that tingling in the feet. I always tell my patients, if you wake up with tingling legs, try eating a banana and sipping warm water. It's simple, but surprisingly effective. Part 4. Cottage cheese. Slow protein that keeps muscles fed all morning. According to Nutrients Journal 2022, seniors who consumed casein protein in the morning maintained more muscle mass than those who didn't. Cottage cheese is a little secret I love sharing with patients over 70, especially those who feel tired despite eating enough meals. Here's why casein protein digests slowly, feeding your muscles gradually across the morning. It also delivers calcium for strong bones, vitamin B12 for nerve health, phosphorus for cell and muscle repair. Just half a cup of cottage cheese with a banana or a few apple slices, and you've got a breakfast that says to your legs, "I've got you covered." Eat well. Move strong. Part 5. Salmon or fatty fish. the muscle-saving secret for older adults. According to a study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition 2019, older adults who eat fatty fish at least twice a week can preserve up to 27% more leg muscle mass and reduce their risk of falls and mobility decline. Salmon or oily fish, like sardines and mackerel, is something I always recommend to seniors who are concerned about leg weakness. Why? They're rich in EPA and DHA, special omega-3s that reduce muscle inflammation and improve insulin sensitivity. They contain high-quality protein packed with leucine, essential for rebuilding damaged muscle fibers. And they naturally provide vitamin D, which most people over 65 are deficient in. I remember Mr. Henry, 74 years old, who came to my clinic with shaky legs and poor stability. After adding salmon to his breakfast twice a week for 8 weeks, not only did his legs feel stronger, he was sleeping better too. If salmon feels too expensive, try sardines or mackerel in water or olive oil. They're affordable, practical, and just as powerful. Part 6. Greek yogurt, the gut-leg connection. A 2020 study from the University of Colorado found probiotics in yogurt help improve the absorption of vitamin D, calcium, and magnesium, all essential nutrients for muscle and bone health in older adults. You might think, what does yogurt have to do with my legs? But in reality, the gut is the gateway to muscle nourishment. After 60, our digestive systems don't work like they used to. Even if we eat well, we don't always absorb well. That's where Greek yogurt comes in. It's rich in casein protein, which digests slowly and fuels muscles over time. It contains probiotics, which support the gut and improve nutrient absorption. And it also offers leucine, potassium, and a bit of vitamin B12. A cup of Greek yogurt in the morning, especially with berries or oats, is like telling your legs you'll be nourished from the inside out. Part 7. Steamed sweet potato. Celtic Sea Salt. Slow energy, long recovery. According to the Tufts Institute for Aging Nutrition 2021, a breakfast rich in complex carbs and magnesium can stabilize blood sugar, reduce leg cramps, and support nerve signaling in older adults. If you've ever woken up with numb feet or had nighttime leg cramps, start your day tomorrow with a warm steamed sweet potato, topped with a pinch of Celtic sea salt. Sweet potatoes provide complex carbs, slow-burning energy that won't spike your blood sugar and keeps muscles fueled. Magnesium and potassium in both the sweet potato and Celtic salt help relax blood vessels and improve leg circulation. Vitamin C in the potato aids in collagen production, essential for muscle and ligament repair. People think sweet potatoes are just humble comfort food, but for someone over 60, they're golden fuel for strong legs. Part 8. Berries. The antioxidants shield against leg aging. A study from Tufts University 2020 stated, anthocyanins in berries improve peripheral blood flow, reduce muscle cell damage, and speed up post-exercise recovery. I once had a patient, Gloria, 66, who complained of heavy, tired legs after just walking in the park. After she started adding blueberries to her morning smoothie, she told me, "Doc, I can walk longer and my legs don't feel so heavy anymore." Berries are rich in powerful antioxidants, especially anthocyanins, which boost blood flow to the legs, reduce inflammation, and support muscle healing. Just a small handful each morning, eaten plain, added to oats or blended into yogurt, turns your breakfast from routine into a natural prescription for stronger legs. Part 9. Kale, or green smoothies. The quiet hero for your muscles and blood vessel. Frontiers in Aging 2021 reports. Vitamin K and folate from leafy greens help reduce arterial stiffness and improve balance and mobility in adults over 65. Not many people think of eating greens for breakfast, but this could be the smartest move you make for your legs. Kale is loaded with vitamin K1 folate and magnesium, helping blood vessels stay elastic and muscles stay supple. Blend it with apple, banana, or cucumber for a powerful, refreshing green smoothie. And for those who find chewing raw greens, tough sauté kale lightly with eggs or blend it. It's easy on digestion and still packs all the nutrients your legs are quietly craving. Breakfast. The golden key to stronger legs. After 60, my friend. When we were younger, breakfast was a forgotten rush, just coffee and toast on the way to work. But after 60, every breakfast becomes a choice. You either nourish your legs, or you slowly abandon them. These 9 foods I've shared with you today, they're not fancy, not expensive. But if you truly understand their value and begin your mornings with them, you'll feel the difference. Your steps will feel lighter, your balance more stable, your confidence stronger. Aging isn't the time to chase the legs we had at 30. It's the time to build a stronger foundation for the best years still to come. Just start small. Maybe a boiled egg, a green smoothie, or simply trading that processed breakfast bar for a bowl of oats and chia. You don't need to do it all. You just need to begin. My dear friend, we can't turn back time. But every morning we wake up, we're given a quiet privilege, the chance to choose how we begin again. 1 boiled egg, a bowl of oats, a green smoothie. They may seem small, but they are silent promises to ourselves that we're still moving forward, still caring for this body, and still believing in the power of recovery. If this video helped you choose just one small change for tomorrow's breakfast, then I believe your legs will thank you, with stronger, steadier steps in the years to come. See you in the next video where we continue this journey together to make aging not a decline, but a season of freedom.